Hey everyone, welcome back to the PVA Bulk Seller channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic for marketers and entrepreneurs: how to buy Facebook accounts for business purposes. Whether you're running ads, managing multiple pages, or scaling your outreach, buying old Facebook accounts can save you a lot of time. So, let's get started. Now, first off, why do people even buy Facebook accounts? Well, Facebook is still one of the most powerful platforms for ads and organic marketing. But if you've ever tried to run multiple ad campaigns, you know how strict Facebook can be. That's where buying aged or verified accounts comes in: more trust, less risk of bans, and more flexibility. Let's compare the two main types of Facebook accounts used for business purposes: fresh accounts and aged accounts. Account age: fresh accounts are typically 0 to 7 days old. In contrast, aged accounts usually range from 1 to 5 years or more, giving them a longer history and better credibility. Trust score: fresh accounts often have a low trust score, which makes them more likely to get flagged by Facebook security systems. Aged accounts, however, enjoy a higher trust level, making them more stable and reliable. Verification: both account types can be fully verified with a phone number and email. However, aged accounts are often pre-verified, saving you time and effort. Ad account stability: fresh accounts tend to be unstable, especially when running ads. Aged accounts are much stronger for advertising, with fewer chances of getting restricted. Risk of ban: the risk of getting banned is high for fresh accounts, especially if used aggressively. Aged accounts have a much lower risk, making them safer for business use. Price: fresh accounts are usually cheaper, but they come with more risk. Aged accounts are a bit more expensive, but offer better ROI for business users. Business suitability: fresh accounts can be a good choice for beginners or non-critical uses. But if you're serious about advertising or scaling, aged accounts are the best choice by far. Let me show you how to easily place an order for Facebook accounts on pvabulkseller.com. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type PVA Bulk Seller and hit enter. You'll see the website right at the top. Click the first result to open it. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top menu and click on Shop. From there, scroll down and select the Facebook accounts product. Now you'll see a list of available options. You can choose from new accounts or aged Facebook accounts that are 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or even 5 years old. These aged accounts are perfect for ad stability and business trust. Next, choose the quantity. We offer everything from a single account to bulk orders of 100 accounts. Let's say you want one 5-year-old Facebook account. Select that option, then click on the Place Order button. This will take you to the checkout page. Here, fill out your first name, last name, address, phone number, and email. Please make sure your email address is correct, because we'll send your Facebook account login details to that email after your order is confirmed. Next, choose your preferred payment method. We accept cryptocurrency, Wise, Remitly, Xoom, and card payments. Please note, card payment may not be available for all cardholders, depending on your bank or region. But don't worry, we support flexible methods like Wise, Remitly, and crypto for easy remote payments. Once everything is filled out, click on Place Order again. That's it. Your order will be processed, and you'll receive your account credentials via email shortly. If you need help, our WhatsApp and Telegram contact details are available on the Contact Us page of the website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the PVA Bulk Seller channel for more digital growth tips and account buying guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.